Faster.
Yeah, that's not fast enough.
All right. Well, we can do that. I mean, I'm assuming you don't want to mess with the motor.
No, not really.
Okay. Well, we can still do turbo upgrades with the factory engine, no problem. So we can get you probably in the 800 horsepower range with just with the upgraded turbos and stock engine.
Oh yeah, sorry, I don't want more than that. That's too much.
I mean, we think we did like 600 before. I mean, we just got to keep it safe, use an alternate fuel, and like the E85. You've been staying on the E85, right? Yeah. So no problem. We'll go on the E85. We'll up it a little bit. The last car we did the HKS the bolt-on turbo kit. It goes on, makes great power, straightforward.
All right.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, ok, yo voy a probarlo ahora a ver si lo hace otra vez o no. No, a la calle, a la calle.
It doesn't make more power, it makes pop going forward. It might make more power.
Oh, ya. Está bien, aquí cuando tú llegues hacemos eso. We're going back now.
So how was it driving a GTR? That had to have been awesome.
Yeah. That soul was awesome. How was it? That was good. I mean, you got to drive it now.
Yeah.
All right, you take this now,
Yeah.
right? All right.
He said he's gonna take the.
How do you feel?
I can't even talk right now. That's
Really?
the nastiest ride of my life.
Oh shit.
Dude, it took like 4 seconds for it, like 130.
Wow.
Not even 4 seconds.
That's crazy.
Car's the same. I'm still shaking.
Wow. So this should be good to see on here then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I told her to roll the windows up a couple times so you can get a better sound and all
Yeah.
that.
That's cool.
Dude, laid into it, dude. It's so nasty.
Wow. That's a beautiful car.
I'm like, still like Davey.
Yeah.
I've never been in a car that bad. I don't even think a fucking Hayabusa could keep up with that.
Damn.
Really?
What all's been done to that?
I don't even know.
Something. It sounds.
A couple of them.
Yeah. Sounds amazing.